recording?
Yep.
So after the last overland rally and airing down, and friends there being able to let us use their air, we decided to get our own with the portable ARB kit instead of mounting in our vehicles, so we can use it in our other vehicles. So I'm going to test out to see how long it takes to air back our tires up from 15 psi, which is what we commonly use. So start by airing down. So that's right at 15 psi. These are 285, 70, and 17 Nitto Ridge grapplers. I usually leave them at 32. These are as simple as hooking up like your jumper cables. I don't have the vehicle running because otherwise you wouldn't be able to hear the video. All right. So a little bit over a minute. We're showing up just under 30 psi, so I'll give it another 30 seconds or less and see where we're at. Minute 26, we're right at 32 psi, so a minute 26 per tire, 3 minutes per side is not too bad, so it's going to be a lot better than carrying my generator and a compressor to get aired up.